Hi, I'm Allison with Simple Fantastic Kitchen. Today I'm making the most delicious cookies and cream ice cream. I'll be using my trusty KitchenAid stand mixer and the KitchenAid ice cream maker attachment. If you want to know more about this product, I recently made a review video of it. You can click on it right here. We'll start by making our base, which is a traditional vanilla ice cream recipe with simple, wholesome ingredients. We'll start with the heat off. We're going to add 3 cups of half and half. 2/3 of a cup of granulated cane sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/8 of a teaspoon of sea salt, and as an optional addition, you can add a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, which is considered a natural stabilizer and helps prevent ice crystals from forming, and it's often used in organic food products. Then we'll turn the heat on to medium-low and we'll stir it often for about 5 minutes until the sugar dissolves and the mixture is warmed through. Using a whisk is very helpful to separate everything out because the sugar can clump together a little bit. And it depends what kind of pan you have. If you have stainless steel pans, using a regular whisk is absolutely the way to go. But if you have a nonstick coating or anything that doesn't really handle metal well, these are fantastic. They're silicone coated whisks. They're awesome. They do the job without damaging the pans. Love them. I'll have a link to this in the description below, as well as all the other products you see in this video in case you want to check them out. It's super normal for it to get a little frothy. I mean, you're basically becoming a hand-churned frother at this point, but you don't want it to boil. There's a difference between frothing and boiling, very fine line. And that's it. Now we're going to let it cool for a few minutes, and then we're going to pour it into a covered, heat-proof, airtight container. Now we're going to put it into the refrigerator to chill for at least 2 hours. It has to be fully chilled before ice cream can be made. The next step is chopping a sleeve of Oreo cookies. We got double stuff, but feel free to get any kind of sandwich cookie that sounds good to you. So essentially we have finely chopped or minced the Oreo cookies. So the next step is going to be to churn the ice cream. You'll want to decant your chilled ice cream batter into something that has a pour spout, as it will be much easier and less messy when pouring into the ice cream maker attachment. We've already done that, so now let's start. Let's set it to stir and then pour that ice cream batter in. So you can see here in the bowl, see how it's creeping up? Like it's literally on top of the dasher on one side, not the other side, but one side. That's what I mean by creeping up towards the top. Now can you see the ring around the top of the ice cream right there, right at the edge? You can see it. We're at about 13 minutes, but to me, it's time to start adding the Oreos. You're gonna do it a little bit at a time, okay guys? And again, decant them into something that has a little pour spout on it. It's just easier to work with when it comes to this. Okay. Let that go just a little bit at a time. Woo! I didn't have that much control over that one, did I? Honestly, this looks pretty done to me. The entire process with the Oreo cookies added in was about 16 minutes, I would say. That's just a reference point. This is my experience with it. Okay, I think we're done. It looks really good. You don't want to over churn it at this stage. Okay, let's get those other Oreos in there. Look at that. That looks so good. I really churned it nicely, but perhaps you could churn it a little less if you like the Oreo chunks to be a little more distinctive. So now that the ice cream is completely finished, you're going to transfer the ice cream into a dessert dish or airtight freezer container for storage. I love these little ice cream containers that I just got. They even come with these adorable little labels that you can handwrite your ice cream flavor onto. So cute. Oh, this looks so good. Oh my gosh. Now, I just want to also let you know that if soft serve is your bag, now is when you want to eat it. You don't need to put it into the freezer any further because it is the perfect consistency for soft serve ice cream right now. This honestly could not look more beautiful. I'm gonna wipe the edges just a hair because, you know, we are gonna stick it in the freezer. And so you just wanna make sure that you don't have any ice cream on the edges. Let's put it in the freezer for about 2 hours to fully form into ice cream. Okay. That is so amazing. I mean, this is so good. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's so good. And it tastes so much better than store-bought. It just I don't know, it just tastes wholesome to me. It just tastes awesome. Wow.
The full recipe is in the description below. The product links are in the description as well. For more recipes, subscribe to Simple Fantastic Kitchen.